Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start introduction for exercise 2.2 of chapter 2. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed about Cartesian product of sets and completed the exercise 2.1. You can check the previous videos. Okay, now in this video we are going to start definition of relations. Okay, so first of all, what is relation? In layman's language, a relation can be anything like between two persons, okay, like father and son, teacher and student, okay. These are the relations, okay. So mathematically, like if we have two numbers, two sets A, B, okay. A is subset of B. This subset is a relation, okay. A is less than B, A is greater than B, okay. A is equals to B. These are called the relations, okay. What is the relation between A and B? A is smaller than B, smaller than or equals to, less than or equals to B, okay. So these are called the relations. So now we will discuss about the definition of relation, like how we can find the relation between two sets, okay. Now definition is, let A and B be two non-empty sets, okay, non-empty, like A and B are two non-empty sets. Then any subset R of A cross B is called a relation from set A to set B, okay. If we have two sets A and B which are non-empty, then any subset R of A cross B is a relation from set A to B, okay. This is a relation of A to B, which is a subset of the Cartesian product, okay. So what is a relation? Relation is a subset of the Cartesian product of these two sets. In other words, we can say that R is a relation from A to B if and only if R is a subset of the Cartesian product of these two sets. Let's take some example. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to 4, 6. We know that how we can find the Cartesian product, okay. So by arrow diagram we can easily observe how many elements are in the ordered pair in the Cartesian product, okay. So by this arrow diagram we can observe that which type of elements will be in the Cartesian product, okay. So this will be 1 4 1 6 2 4 2 6 and 3 4 3 6, okay. So if we define R as, relation is defined as those xy such that y is equals to 2x, for x belongs to A and y belongs to B, okay. So in relation, R is a relation from A to B. In relation, we have those elements which second element is double of first element, okay, whose second element is double from first element, okay. So first, this condition is not satisfied. This is also, here we will write 2 4 because second element is double of first element. 2 6 will be cancelled out, 3 4 will be cancelled out, next will be 3 6, okay. So we can easily observe that relation from A to B is a subset of the Cartesian product of these two sets, okay. So by this example we can observe that number of elements in relation will be less than or equals to number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B, okay. So number of elements in relation will be less than or equals to number of elements in Cartesian product of these two sets, okay. By this example we can also define the definitions of domain, codomain and range, okay. So what is domain? Domain is the first element of ordered pair in R, okay. So this will be the first element in these ordered pairs. So these will be 2 and 3. Okay, so what about range? Range is the second element of ordered pair in R, which will be 4 and 6. Okay, by this example, which will be 4 and 6. Okay, now next definition is codomain. All elements, codomain will contain all elements in the second set. Okay, so all elements in second set are 4 and 6. Here codomain and range is same, but generally we can observe that this domain is a subset of this and range is subset of codomain. Okay, so range is a subset of codomain. So by this example we will see how we can represent a relation. Okay, so representation of relation is of three types. First one is set builder form. Second one is roster form, and third one is arrow diagram. Okay, you all know that what is a set builder form, what is a roster form, and what is arrow diagram. In the previous chapter we have briefly discussed about these concepts. Okay, so what is set builder form? You know that this is a set builder form. So by this example you can represent this particular set, this particular relation as set builder form also. Okay, and this is the roster form, in which all the elements are separated by commas and enclosed with curly braces, is called roster form. So this is roster form and this is set builder form. Now what about the arrow diagram? Okay, so by arrow diagram we will draw set A and set B, in which we have 3 elements, and in set B we have 2 elements, 4 and 6. Okay, so how you can represent a relation? Here we will draw first element, like first ordered pair 2 and 4. 2 is related to 4. Okay, by this arrow we will represent it. And second is 3, 6. So this is the representation of relation by arrow diagram. Basically in this form relation is defined as the by drawing arrow from first component of first ordered pair to second element of this ordered pair. Okay, now let's discuss about question number 1, which is let A is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. We have to define a relation from A to A. We have to define relation from same set to same set. Okay, like that. Here we have 1 to 14 elements, and also here we have 1 to 14 elements. Okay, 1 to 14 numbers. Okay, and relation is defined as those ordered pairs such that 3x minus y is equals to 0. In other words, we can say we have those ordered pairs where second element is 3 times of first element, where x, y belongs to A. Which type of elements it will contain? First of all, we will put x is equals to 1. So if we put 1, we will get 3. If we put 2, we will get 6. If we put 3, we will get 9, 4, 4 3s are 12, and if we put 5, 5 3s are 15. But 15 is not in the set, so we have only 4 ordered pair in the relation. Okay, also you can observe that this is a subset of Cartesian product of A cross A. Okay, in Cartesian product we have many elements, but in relation we have only 4 elements. Okay, so we have to write down its domain. Okay, you all know that what is domain, codomain and range. We have to find these 3. What is domain? Domain is the first element of ordered pair in the relations. Okay, in R we have to write the first element of the ordered pairs. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the domain. Okay. So what is codomain? Codomain is the second set. Second set is A, in which we have all elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All elements. Okay. So these will be 1, 2 up to 14. What about range? Range will include second elements of the ordered pair in relation. Okay. So these will be 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay. So if we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. By arrow diagram we can easily observe that 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 6 and 3 goes to 9, 4 goes to 12. Okay. So these four elements will be in the range. Okay. And this is whole is called codomain, and these four elements will be the domain. Okay. These are domain, this is codomain, and the set of these four elements will be the range. Okay. Let's discuss about question number 2. Define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers by R is those xy such that y is equals to x plus 5. Means second element is 5 more than the first element and x is less than 4 and xy belongs to natural numbers. Okay. So we have to depict the relationship using roster form. Arrow diagram, we have to write the domain and range. Okay. First of all, relation is those xy, those ordered pairs such that first element is 5 less than the second element and x is less than 4. Okay. So first element is less than 4 means first element will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, because the elements will be less than 4. X is equals to y minus 5 implies x plus 5 is equals to y. Okay, if we put x is equals to 1, y will be 6. If we put x is equals to 2, y will be 7. If we put x is equals to 3, y will be 8. Okay, so in relation we have 3 ordered pairs. Okay, so this is the roster form of this relation. Okay, second we have to draw the arrow diagram. Okay, so here R is a relation from n to n. Okay, we have to draw arrow diagram. This is the arrow diagram for this relation. Okay, 1 goes to 6, 2 goes to 7 and 3 goes to 8. Now we have to write the domain. What is the domain? Domain is the first element of all the ordered pairs in R. These will be 1, 2, 3. Okay. What will be the range? Range is the second element of the ordered pairs in R. This will be 6, 7 and 8. Now let's discuss about question number 3, which is if A is equals to this, B is equals to this, we have to find a relation from A to B where R is given that those xy such that the difference between these two is odd. Okay, we have to write R in the roster form. Okay, we have two sets are given, we have to find the relation and write in the roster form. Okay, we all know that relation is a subset of the Cartesian product. Okay, first of all we will find the Cartesian product of these two sets. Okay, so this will be 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9 and 2, 4, like that, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B and we know that R is a subset of this. Okay. So, in relation we have those elements whose difference is odd. Okay. So, 4 minus 1 is 3. So difference is odd. So this will be the element of R. 6 minus 1 is 5, which is odd. 9 minus 1 is 8, which is even. 4 minus 2 is will be cancelled out. 6 minus 2 is 4, which will be cancelled out. Next 2 minus 9 will be 7, which is odd. 3, 4, difference is odd. 6 minus 3, difference is odd. Okay. 9 minus 3, 6. So this will be cancelled out. 5 minus 4, difference is 1, which is odd. 5 minus 6, 1, difference is odd. And 5 minus 9 is 9 minus 5 is 4, which is even. So this will be not in the R. So this is the roster form of this relation. Okay. So this is a subset of Cartesian product of these two sets. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.